I am Ashi Mishra, Class 9, Subject Math, Lecture 33, Topic Lines and Angles. Some more definitions. Angle. The geometrical figure formed by two rays with the same initial point is called an angle. Clear? The geometrical figure formed by two rays with the same initial point is called an angle. It is denoted by angle AOB. You see in the figure, ray OA and ray OB have same initial point O. Same initial point O. So this figure, geometrical figure is formed. That's why we say this geometrical figure is an angle. In the given figure, the common point O is the common point, na? So common point O is called vertex of the angle, and ray OA and OB are called arms of the angle. Clear? Now, types of angles. So on the basis of measurement, the angle is of 6 types. Here I am going to explain. Okay. First, that is point A, acute angle. An angle whose measure is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. An angle whose measure is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. You see in the figure. It is angle ABC. Here magnitude means measurement of the angle is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. So 0 point something to 89 point something, every angle of the measurement between this is called acute angle. Second, right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is called a right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is called a right angle. You see, ray BA and BC meet at point B such that the magnitude of this angle ABC is 90 degree. That's why we say it is a right angle. So all the right angles are equal because every right angle has same measure 90 degree. Third, obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. The angle whose measure is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. You see in the figure, angle ABC. Its measure is more than 90. You can compare this figure with the previous figure. So you can obtain the measure of angle ABC is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So it is obtuse angle. Okay. Fourth, a straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degree. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight angle. You can see in the figure. This is angle ABC. Ray BA and BC are opposite to each other. That's why it is a straight angle and its measurement is 180 degree. Clear? Now, fifth, reflex angle. An angle whose measure is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. An angle whose measure is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. You can see in the figure. Angle ABC. This one is the measurement of angle ABC. It is more than 180 but less than 360. That's why we say it is reflex angle. Now fifth, complete angle. Sixth point, complete angle. An angle whose measure is 360 degrees. See, it is ray OA. It completes one rotation. So its measure is 360 degree. That's why we define an angle whose measure is 360 degree is called a complete angle. An angle whose measure is 360 degree is called a complete angle. Now we have some pair of angles. So one by one I would like to explain it. See, first, complementary angles. If sum of two angles is 90 degree, then they are called complementary angles. In the figure, you can justify the definition. See, angle AOC, its measure is 60 degree. Angle BOC, its measure is 30 degree. So these are two angles having same vertex O. So we add both the angles, 60 degree plus 30 degree, that is 90 degree. So here we get the sum of two angles is 90 degree. So these are complementary angles. Means angle AOC and angle BOC are complementary angles. And angle AOC is complement of angle BOC, as well as angle BOC is the complement of angle AOC. It is explained in the written form also. If sum of two angles is 90 degree, then they are called complementary angles. Each one is called complement of others. Clear? Angle AOC is complement of angle BOC and angle BOC is the complement of angle AOC. Example, in the given figure, angle AOC equals to 60 degree, angle BOC equals to 30 degree. So we find the sum. Because of angle AOC plus angle BOC equals to 60 degree plus 30 degree equals to 90 degree. So here sum of two angles AOC and BOC became 90 degree na. So it is supplementary angles. Clear? Complementary angles. Next, supplementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they are called supplementary angles. They are called supplementary angles. In this case, each one is called supplement of others. Each one is called supplement of others. Example, first you see the figure. Angle AOC and angle BOC. Clear? Value of angle AOC is 110 degree and value of BOC is 70 degree. So we add them. 110 plus 70, 180. So sum of two angles is 180 degree. So they are called supplementary angles. Angle AOC is the supplement of angle BOC and angle BOC is the supplement of angle AOC. In the example, it is written in the given figure, angle AOC 110, angle BOC 70 degree. So angle AOC plus angle BOC, that is 110 plus 70 equals to 180 degree. So angle AOC and angle BOC are called supplementary angles. Angle AOC is called supplement of angle BOC and angle BOC is called supplement of angle AOC. Thank you. Rest we will see in the next video.